Hi, I'm Jason, and welcome to my new listing here. Welcome to 8 Clipper Road, located in Rancho Palos Verdes off PV Drive South, next to the Palos Verdes Land Conservancy and all the open trails. You can see the flowers coming out now as it's early spring. Just gorgeous. This is a 5-bedroom, 3-bath, about 2,791 square feet, and there's ocean views. All recently upgraded, super nice style. You get a 2-car garage, plenty of parking, nice tile entrance, and you come into a beautifully updated home. But from here, you can see Catalina Island, the isthmus right here, the west end, and ocean. Really nice. Look at this beautiful plank hardwood floors. It's oak and a high vaulted ceiling here with lots of light. Custom gourmet kitchen, really nice style, very well appointed. This pantry, beautiful tongue and groove maple lined kitchen close, nice 6-burner oven, stove, cooktop, big stainless steel sink, 2-tone, so this has a different color, which is really nice. A microwave in there, kitchen close as well, and a second prep sink, and a great yard. So that could be a sports court, or you could do a pool if you wanted. Plenty of room. Some view out that way as well. Just really good style. All recessed lighting, all updated, really well done. This is beautiful. Love seeing all the greenery and then the ocean as well. Spot. So nice big upstairs living area there. And we'll get to the bedroom when this door closes off. First room is the primary. Very nice. Recessed lighting. Some view from here as well. Very nice custom bath, double sink, beautiful cabinetry, both a standalone tub and a 3/4 shower. And it has a closet that you could, renovate to have a custom closet in there. Bedroom number 2. Once again, everything's skimmed and super clean. Bedroom 3. Good sized room. They share this bath, so it's another double sink and a full bath, which is a really nice feature. So it has both the tub and the shower. So that's fairly unique to have 2 full baths with both in them, but that works. We have access to the outside patio from here. Bedroom in the back. This could be an office if you wanted. You could almost open this up if you want to try and get a view from here, or move the closet to another spot. I thought about that just because I'd like to be in an office with a view, personally. There's a lot of light here. Really gorgeous. And there's another little bonus area downstairs. So they do have direct access to the garage. So there's a half bath down here. And laundry. And then kind of like a workout room in this area. Super nice patio, gorgeous sitting area. Lots of potential here. Plenty of room for an ADU if you wanted to go that route as well. A couple fruit trees. So nice. If you'd like more information about this home or to come have a tour, give me a call. Happy to share. This is a great property, lots of space, and in great condition. So call me for more information. Thanks a lot. Make it a great day.